Open up the window. I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a dying ember. Everything is turning into gold when the autumn leaves are playing chase. It puts a smile up on my face.
Hey everyone, welcome back and welcome if you are new. So I have a very fun afternoon ahead of me. I collected all my fall decorations that I have, and I did buy a little bit of new stuff this year. So I want to try and get our house feeling a little bit more like fall, even though it does already feel like fall because the weather has been cooler, and yesterday and today the Lord has blessed us with a cloudy, rainy day, which makes it feel like fall even more, and I'm very excited for that. I had originally planned to decorate yesterday, but then plans changed. I had different things going on. So today we're gonna decorate. I'm gonna show you some of the things that I got this year. I did not get a whole lot, but a little bit because my fall collection is pretty small the way it is. First up, we have this little guy here. It's a wooden piece. I don't think I would have bought it, but I put it in the cart because I thought I would maybe buy it. And then Jeremiah really didn't want to let go of it, and I'm kind of glad I did because it's kind of unique. And I got it at a thrift store, and it was still $12. So, yeah, a little bit more expensive, but I figured it would also fit into Christmas and winter as well. So I got that. I also got a few vases. That was one thing that I really wanted to get this year. I got these at Giant Tiger, and I believe one of them was $10, one of them was $15. Now I'm not sure which one was which. But yeah, this is the two that I got, and I am pretty excited about that. How it feels. And then I got a little bit more pumpkins. I got rid of a lot of my Dollar Tree pumpkins last year because some of them were so beat up and bent and they looked pretty fake, so I got rid of a lot of them. And so now I just picked up very inexpensive but a little bit more realistic looking pumpkins at Michael's. They were actually a pretty good price. I was surprised to find them at Michael's, but they were $15 like for one, which is expensive, but then if you bought one you got one free, so all of these cost me $15, which is not bad, and they look a little bit more real. So I got one that have a little bit of sparkles on them or glitter, and they have a few orange ones in there, and then one that is just plain and white. And then I've seen these burgundy leaves all over the place. I couldn't find exactly what I was looking for, but I figured this would do. These are also kind of burgundy. They're a little bit lighter than I was hoping to find, but it's okay. I think these will look great. They were also $15 for one stem, which to me is really expensive. I usually do not spend that much money, but then it was also buy one get one free, so I figured, you know what, I would have preferred to have 3 stems for a vase, but I didn't want to spend another $15, so I just figured, you know, I'll make it work with 2, and I think it's gonna look great. I still got a few more pumpkins at Dollarama though. Some of them look okay, like I don't mind some of them. Dollarama has sometimes really nice decorations if you are looking for something on a budget. These I thought were really nice. The colors are really nice. I bought 3 of them. So I bought 3 of them. One of them is off-white. One of them is more of a burgundy, rustic color. I'm not sure what to call that color. And then this is a little bit more of a smoky orange. It's a little bit darker in real life than it is on camera, so. And then I did get this at Dollarama as well. I thought it was pretty neat, like to put on a shelf or something. And then I bought this with the intentions of hopefully I was gonna find a nice candle. and I did buy this candle. This is by far the most expensive candle I've ever bought. I don't know, I have a hard time justifying buying expensive candles. I know they smell really good. They might not be the best for you. I rarely ever have a candle in my home. But this year, I don't know, for some reason I was just in the mood for that really nice fall scent and the real scent, like pumpkin spice. And I had a hard time finding anything. Like, I was looking for air fresheners or candles or something just for a few days to have that nice smell in the home. And I finally found one that smells really good. It just says pumpkin, and it smells really, really good. It's just that nice pumpkin spice smell. I don't know how to explain it, but it is really nice. And this candle was $15 as well. I just wanted to be honest how much I spent for decorations this year. I didn't spend a whole lot, but I did spend a little bit. This was $4.50. These pumpkins were $4.25 each, so that way you know a little bit the prices. And then this is not necessarily a fall thing. I will use these as serving dishes later on, but I did see some people put little bowls and put pumpkins in there, or you can use them for Christmas for ornaments or something, and I thought that was really cute. So I bought a few sizes. I figured, you know, it would depend on where I would put the bowl. I thought this was not just a decoration, it was also going to be useful later on as serving dishes. So I got two of the smaller ones. They were $2 each. I'm probably just going to use one, but I always like to have a set. I don't like to have just one random bowl. If I have two, it just feels more complete for some reason. I don't know if that's the same for you, but that's anyways how I feel. And then I got two of the larger ones. So I'm not sure which ones I'm going to use today, but these were $4.25 each as well. So I think these look really nice. I had not seen these at Dollarama before, but they are actually really nice. So if you're looking for serving bowls, they have really nice options. Okay, so I'm gonna very quickly go over the rest of the decor that I have collected over the years, and then I'm just gonna start swapping things out with green plants that I have or anything like summer related, and swap it out for fall things and see if we can make it look like fall. And as you will see, not all of these items are specifically just fall things. This I got at a thrift store a while ago. I don't know if I will use it today. I just put some things out so that I have some options, some candle holders. I put a few little baskets here. These we already saw. And this is the pumpkins that I have from previous years. These I bought last year. And this is just something that I picked outside a while ago. This, I believe, is from Dollarama years ago. These, I'm not sure, maybe Walmart or Amazon, I'm not sure. This is Dollarama as well as that. This little basket I just also put out. I've had this for years. I think I got it at a thrift store as well. And then I have 3 wreaths here. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna put on the door yet. This one is a pretty new one. I don't think I've used it, maybe 1 year. And then this one I've had for some years already. And then I have this. This is not as much a wreath, but I was thinking maybe I should put this outside because I should put a little bit more pumpkins on here. It had more pumpkins on there, and then it's already broke here. So maybe I should put this outside because wreaths outside, they really take a beat in the weather and all of that. So maybe I will put this outside since this one is kind of the oldest of all of them. And then this is grass that I picked at our pond. I don't know, maybe a month ago or even more. I just hung it up to dry and I think it dried so nice. I will put some of this in a vase that I got and some of the leaves in there, and I think it's gonna be really nice. This is free if you just go pick it. So that is the little things that I have, not much, but we'll see what we can figure out with this. believe how pretty this is. The grass didn't cost me anything. Oh, I love it. It looks nice. Eventually I want to get something different for here, much more narrow. This one is a little bit wide for an entrance, but this is what we have now and that works. But yeah, I think that looks good. I think that's better. I don't know, the other one, it just does not look right. So we're gonna go with this. Don't be fooled that our whole house looks like this. Yeah, we have more work on our hands. There's just lots of stuff on the floor. Tomas is trying to clean that up. He's playing with chairs. He played with the rug. The countertops are at least pretty clean. There's not a lot of dishes. I have supper going, and I baked buns today as well. And this is all the stuff that I need to clean up yet. Put into bins and put them in the basement for now. So that is that. This room needs lots of organizing. I'm not gonna really show you. And there's lots of shoes to clean. There is more stuff to be cleaned up. and there's more boxes to be cleaned up. So Johnny called me, he's on his way home. So we're gonna try and get this house nice and clean before he gets home. All right, I think I'm finished. I hope that you enjoyed it. It's definitely not a ton of decorations. It's just a little touches here and there. And that's kind of what I like for fall. I do like fall, but it's definitely not my favorite season to decorate for, even though I really enjoy doing somewhat and make it feel a little bit more fall-ish, cozy. So yeah, I really like the little touches of fall throughout our kitchen area. I did not do anything in the other rooms of the house because I don't even have enough. I used most of the stuff that I had, and yeah, it feels good to have the house somewhat cleaned up. I did sweep the floor real quick. So I'm gonna get supper ready. As you saw, Johnny is home, so I'm very excited about that. He's earlier today because of the rainy weather. So we're gonna enjoy our evening, and yeah, thank you very much for coming along. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye.